Hi everyone, so today I want to make a review on these folding chairs. I have in a black and in white color, so let's dive and see what I think about it. First of all, I like they're built with a triangle steel frame and a heavy-duty metal construction that feels incredibly stable. I really feel the difference. The joints are double welded and the anti-corrosion coating adds extra durability. The ergonomic design is one of my favorite things. The seat has a 15 degrees tilt and the lumbar support backrest actually makes a difference. I noticed that during long sitting my back feels better compared to other chairs I've used. The seat itself is so comfortable. They've used high rebound sponge padding and it's covered with waterproof cat claw leather that's rather soft. What I really appreciate is how easy they are to fold, and I fold just in seconds, and I can store them behind the door next to wall in a closet or storage room, and when not in use they take up so a little space. I've also found them super handy when I need to reach something from a high shelf. They are sturdy enough for that too, and they're perfect for extra sitting during parties, around dining table, or even a quick setup for work. So yes, I definitely can recommend to try it. Thanks for watching.